This tool helps turn a completed systematic review workflow into a structured review draft, so your research is not just organized but ready to edit, export, and use. One common problem in systematic reviews is that even after collecting papers, screening studies, extracting data, and grading evidence, researchers still struggle to write the final review. They may have papers, citations, notes, outcomes, and screening decisions, but turning all of that into a clear manuscript can still feel overwhelming. This is where CitedEvidence brings the whole workflow together. In this video, I'm going to show the Write SLR stage. This is the stage where the tool takes the included studies, extracted data, evidence summaries, outcomes, and citations, and turns them into a structured systematic review draft. On the screen, I can see the final review draft. At the top, there are summary numbers: retrieved 309, ready 168, included 13, extracted 13, and outcomes 5. These numbers show the full journey of the evidence. The tool started with 309 records, filtered them down to 168 ready papers, included 13 studies, extracted data from 13 studies, and identified 5 outcomes. This is powerful because the final draft is not separate from the review process. It is built from the work that came before it. The eligibility criteria, search strings, fetched papers, deduplication, title and abstract screening, full text screening, extraction, risk of bias assessment, and evidence grading. The draft title is about whether telehealth-based physiotherapy improves pain and mobility in adults with chronic lower back pain compared with usual in-person care. This matches the original research question, which is important because the final review should stay focused on the question that started the workflow. Under the title, I can see the abstract section. The draft begins with background information, then moves into the methods and results. This gives me a strong starting point for writing. I am not staring at a blank page anymore. I already have a structured draft that I can review, edit, and improve. But this part is very important. I should not blindly submit the generated draft. CitedEvidence helps create the first version, but I still need to act like a researcher. I need to check every claim, verify the citations, review the included studies, confirm the results, and make sure the language accurately reflects the evidence. The tool gives me a strong foundation, but human judgment is still required. I can also see that the draft is connected to the evidence and citations. This is helpful because instead of writing a paragraph and later trying to find which study supports it, the draft is already built from the extracted evidence and source list. At the top, I can see options like Prisma diagram, auto-run all steps, export, and open workflow. The export option is important because I may want to download the draft, share it with a supervisor, edit it in another document, or use it as the base for a thesis, dissertation, journal article, or class assignment. The Prisma diagram is also important. It shows how records move through the review process, how many papers were retrieved, how many were filtered, how many were screened, and how many were finally included. In a formal systematic review, this diagram helps show transparency. The Open Workflow button lets me go back into the review process, so if I notice something in the draft that looks wrong, I can return to the earlier steps and check the search strings, screening decisions, extraction, outcomes, or evidence grading. On the right side, I can still see the progress panel. It shows the completed stages of the workflow, such as eligibility criteria, search strings, fetching papers, deduplication and filters, screening, extraction, risk of bias assessment, evidence grading, and finally, Write SLR. This gives me confidence that the draft is based on a complete review process, not just a simple literature search. This final stage is where the whole workflow becomes usable. I started with a research question, I defined the criteria, I searched for papers, I filtered and screened the results, I included relevant studies, I extracted the evidence, I reviewed the outcomes, and now I have a structured, systematic review draft. That is the main benefit of CitedEvidence. It does not just help me find papers, it helps me move from the research question all the way to a manuscript-style draft. So to recap, this screen shows the Write SLR stage, where CitedEvidence creates a structured draft from the included studies and extracted evidence. It also gives access to export options, the Prisma diagram, citations, and the full workflow. The key idea is simple. This final screen gives me a usable review draft, but I still need to review it carefully, verify the evidence, edit the writing, and make sure the final manuscript is accurate.